Why your Samsung AC turns off automatically, easy fix explained. Your Samsung AC may be turning off automatically due to issues like dirty air filters, low refrigerant, dirty condenser coils, or thermostat problems. Less common causes include electrical faults, a clogged condensate line, or sensor malfunctions. To troubleshoot, start by cleaning the filters, checking for blockages outside, and ensuring the thermostat is set correctly. If the issue persists, consult the manual for error codes, which can indicate a more serious problem requiring a service technician. Common causes and solutions. Dirty air filters. Restricted airflow from a clogged filter can cause the unit to overheat and shut down. Clean or replace the air filter. You can do this as often as every 90 days or more frequently if you have pets. Dirty condenser coils. These coils need to dissipate heat, but dirt and debris can prevent this, leading to overheating. Have a technician clean the outdoor unit's coils. It's also good to check the outdoor unit for any objects blocking airflow, like plants or clutter, and remove them. Low refrigerant. This can be caused by a leak and prevents proper cooling, causing the compressor to shut off as a safety measure. This requires a professional diagnosis to find and fix the leak and then recharge the system. Thermostat issues. A faulty or improperly calibrated thermostat can cause the AC to short cycle, turn on and off frequently, or shut off unexpectedly. Ensure the thermostat is set correctly. If it's malfunctioning, a technician may need to repair or replace it. Electrical problems. Issues with the circuit breaker or loose wiring can cause the unit to turn off. Have an electrician inspect the circuit breaker and associated wiring. What to do next? Check error codes. If your Samsung AC has a blinking light or displays an error code, often CL, for the auto clean function, consult your manual for the specific meaning. This can give you a better idea of the problem, such as a sensor fault or a compressor overload. Reset the system. Try turning off the power to the unit at the circuit breaker for a few minutes. Then, turn it back on. If the problem isn't resolved, it points to a hardware or system issue. Contact a professional. If simple solutions don't work, the problem likely requires professional attention. A service technician can accurately diagnose and fix issues with sensors, the compressor, or refrigerant levels.